Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to meet the smartphone that's changing the game, the Google Pixel 8. In today's video, we're going to explore why the Google Pixel 8 is a game-changer in the world of smartphones. First, let's talk design. The Pixel 8 is a work of art, featuring a sleek, minimalistic design that fits perfectly in your hand. And that display. It's a vivid 6.5-inch OLED screen that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or capturing stunning photos, the Pixel 8's display brings everything to life. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Google Pixel 8 apart: its camera. The Pixel 8 is equipped with an extraordinary camera system. With a 50-megapixel main sensor and advanced computational photography, it's a photographer's dream come true. From stunning low-light shots to jaw-dropping portraits, the Pixel 8's camera does it all. It's not just a camera. It's your creative tool. But a great phone is not just about looks and photos, it's about performance. The Pixel 8 is powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring that your phone runs smoothly and efficiently, no matter what you throw at it. Loading times? Almost non-existent. Multitasking? A breeze. The Pixel 8 is engineered for speed and power. With the Google Pixel 8, you're not just getting a great phone today, you're investing in the future. The Pixel 8 runs on Android 13, and you can count on regular software updates for years to come. This means you'll always have the latest features, security, and innovations at your fingertips. Google's commitment to providing a seamless user experience is unparalleled, making your Pixel 8 future-proof. The Pixel 8 isn't just a phone, it's your gateway to the Google ecosystem. With seamless integration of Google services like Google Photos, Google Drive, and Google Assistant, the Pixel 8 becomes the central hub of your digital life. Whether it's effortlessly backing up your photos, accessing your files from anywhere, or getting assistance with just your voice, the Pixel 8 takes your digital experience to the next level. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 8 is not just a smartphone, it's a revolution in your pocket. From its stunning design and breathtaking camera performance to its stellar speed and future-proofing, it's a device that's redefining what a smartphone can be. Are you ready to experience the Google Pixel 8 for yourself? Visit the link in the description to purchase the phone. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates on the Google Pixel 8.